Following Moscow's annexation of the Crimean Peninsula, leaders of the Crimean Tatars are discussing whether to hold a referendum on whether the 300,000-strong ethnic minority will consider itself part of Ukraine or part of Russia. Any such vote would come as a challenge to Russian President Vladimir Putin, who last week signed documents formally incorporating the region of 2 million people into Russia.
There are 300,000 of us here in Crimea. We are less than ethnic Russians or even ethnic Ukrainians. But this is our land. We do not have any other land beyond Crimea. No one asked us, neither before the referendum nor before the Russian troops' invasion, how we wanted to live, under which conditions. We will search for answers to all these questions already in a changed environment during the session of kurultai of the Crimean Tatars.
The 250 members of the Assembly will hold an extraordinary meeting on the 29th of March to discuss their future under these new, unprecedented circumstances.
Regardless of what solutions deputies of the Crimean Tatars kurultai will prefer, the main topic will remain the same: the need for the Crimean Tatars to determine what they want. If we acknowledge that the referendum is the mechanism for others to determine what they want, and it is the main tool for this, then we will search for possibilities of holding our own referendum.
The new pro-Moscow authorities in Crimea presided over a referendum on 16th of March that yielded an overwhelming vote in the favour of joining Russia. But for the Crimean Tatars, who make up 12% of the local population, the idea of historic justice is very different than the one in Moscow. The Sunni Muslims, Crimean Tatars, considered Crimea their home, lost after the cruel mass deportation in 1944 by Soviet forces to Central Asia as a collective punishment for those members of the community who allegedly fought against the Soviets during World War II.